What's up guys, welcome back to our other Matthew's fishing adventure. Today I'm in the heart of Melbourne CBD, like you guys can see. We're back for other round here. The weather isn't too bad, it's a little bit of drizzle, a bit of rain, but doesn't affect the fishing. We was here a couple days ago and we caught a fair few fish, and today we're back to target the bigger fish in here. This weather should be pretty good today. It's just going to be on and off shells basically. We're going to be using a couple different rods today, and hopefully we can get on to a fair few. Stay tuned for the awesome video that's coming up. Hooked up. Or did I drop him? No, I'm on still. Oh, mullet. Oi.
Keep that mullet. Keep it.
Hooked up, hooked up.
Yeah.
Nice little Bream. Got him. Nice Bream. Got him. Nice Bream. Bream. Hooked up guys. Hooked up to a fish. Little Bream. Little Bream. Oh! Just lost him. Getting a couple of little nibbles, guys. and I'm hooked up. Nice one. They're getting bigger each cast. Nice little black bream out of Dockies. Time to get him off the hook and send him on his way. And out getting spiked at the same time. Grab the pliers. And send him on his way. Boom. And Brandon is on.
Bream, feel it. Just give the head shakes.
Yeah, the head shakes are definitely Bream all along. Nice little Bremo. Got him! Got him!
Good one? Good one?
Took it pretty hard.
Good, hey.
Nice little Bremo. Nice little one. Send him back on his way. Come on. Nice little Bremo. And there we go, goes back in. Okay guys, that concludes today's video of this fishing trip at Docklands. Like you can see, it's getting dark. It seems pretty cool at the moment. All the pretty lights in the background. The Westgate Bridge just right up in the background there, like you can see. And then yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's session. It was pretty successful, better than I thought it would be with all this rain and everything. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned for the more videos that are coming out, and I'm going to be back and bigger. And yeah, so this concludes today's video. If you liked this video, please subscribe, please share, and I'll see you guys on another Matthew fishing adventure. Peace out for now.